and it's amazing. So you buy a chicken breast that is whole and slice each breast in half so that it becomes thinner and wraps beautifully. Just cut it. Don't be afraid how it goes. It's gonna glue itself back when you bake it, and it's gonna be perfect. So you add your Greek yogurt, you add your curry powder, salt and pepper, and some dried cranberries or dried cherries. You can actually add dates, your favorite dried fruit, anything. Now we're gonna add some dried rosemary sprigs that I dry in my refrigerator and that you can watch in the video of how to dry herbs at home. So you never have herbs go bad in the fridge and you never waste any food. Check it out. Actually, you can do this with Greek yogurt or with sour cream, maybe even cream cheese. Season it all over. Let's cut our dried fruit so that you can have dried fruit all over every piece once you slice it. Add the dried fruit in the center and we are ready to roll. When you roll this herb, just think of it as if you're a little kid. What would you do? So you can roll it half and half, like I'm doing right now, or you can just roll it. Do not worry. The best thing of cooking with Chef Pachi is everything is easy and everything works. It's proven. All we do now is tie it with twine. We do 3 ties, or you can tie it like I'm doing. After you have it tied, you can freeze it, you can refrigerate it for up to 2 days, or you can cook it right away. So it's an amazing recipe that you can have ready ahead of time. If you want to defrost it during that night in your refrigerator. If you forget and want to defrost it and it's frozen, simply put it in a sealed bag into water. Not hot water, but water at room temperature. And an hour or an hour and a half then later, it's going to be completely defrosted through the center. You can add some herb, some green onion, a little bit of the dried fruit you had, and bake it at 300 degrees for 25 minutes. That's it. After it's out, you can cover it for 5 minutes and then slice it. Look at this beautiful chicken. It's amazing. You can have it ready for the day before the holidays, for your holiday, for a small family event. Actually, each one of these breasts has 4 servings, and they are perfect. You serve them with some of those cranberries that came out and with a beautiful sauce that comes out of the pan. This sauce does not need to be degreased or anything because the breast didn't have skin on it. Look at it. It's beautiful, served with some more chimichurri. Ooh, you love it. I'm sure you will. If you have pesto at home, you can do it. If you have a special pesto that you want to have, create it. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy, Chef Pachi. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.